Slot and plug welding. Have a look into the slot welding. Slot welding is a type of weld used to join overlapping metal plates by filling an elongated slot made in one plate. It provides a strong connection when edge welding is not practical or additional strength is required. Slot welds are commonly used in steel structures, bridges, and heavy fabrication works. Proper slot size, weld penetration, and workmanship are essential to ensure a durable and reliable joint. Plug welding. Plug welding is a welding process used to join overlapping metal plates by filling a circular hole in one plate with weld metal. It is commonly used when access for edge welding is limited or when extra joint strength is required. Plug welds help transfer shear loads effectively between the connected plates. Proper hole size, weld penetration, and quality control are important for achieving a strong and durable weld.